The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 could outperform upcoming iPhone 15 with a revolutionary upgrade. iPhones have always had better graphics performance among all smartphones for many years now. That trend was broken a few months ago by phones powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. The Adreno 740 GPU and Qualcomm's latest chipset is faster than in the Apple A16 Bionic. Since all Galaxy S23 units use this chip globally, Samsung users can say for the first time that their phone has better graphics performance than the latest iPhone. According to insiders, Samsung has decided to stick with Qualcomm CPUs for its next flagship series, just as it did with the Samsung Galaxy S23. The Galaxy S24 is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with some minor customizations by Samsung to boost its power. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will reportedly come equipped with the Adreno 750 GPU. It's 50% more powerful than the Adreno 740 GPU found in the Galaxy S23. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will also have 2 peak cores and a more balanced architecture for power management. It should result in better performance overall. Considering that the Adreno 740 is already a lot faster than Apple A16 Bionic's GPU, it's highly unlikely that the Apple A17's GPU will catch up with its Qualcomm rival. If these rumors are true, the S24 could be a real contender in the smartphone market. The S23 already achieved benchmark results that were nearly equal to those of the Apple A16 processor, and a 50% increase in GPU performance could put the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 ahead of the Apple A17, the CPU that will likely be used in the iPhone 15. However, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will reportedly lag behind the Apple A17 in CPU performance. That being said, the CPU performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is already fast enough for most people, so it should suffice for most power users. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will debut before the end of this year, and you can expect to see it in action in devices from Motorola and Xiaomi first, which are expected to launch by December 2023. A Galaxy version of the chipset might debut with the launch of the Galaxy S24 series around February or March 2024. While it's still too early to know for sure what Samsung has in store for the Samsung Galaxy S24, it's clear that the company is working hard to make it a worthy successor to the Samsung Galaxy S23. And Samsung isn't stopping there. Rumors suggest that the company is also working on the Exynos 2500 CPU. It could be in use in the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. All in all, it's an exciting time to be a Samsung fan. With the Samsung Galaxy S24 and the rumored Exynos 2500 on the horizon, it's clear that the company is dedicated to staying at the forefront of the smartphone market. We can't wait to see what Samsung has in store for us next. So how do you like this new upgrade over last-gen processor? Let us know your thoughts below in the comment section, and if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.